Where'd that dude in the truck go? Because he just caused this. Oh, what a
fucking ass clown, dude.
You got it? Yeah. It's him that got hit.
Yeah, probably. You alright? Huh? Yeah. I think my foot's broken. Where'd you get?
Anybody call 911?
On my left side. Hey, did somebody see that truck? He just kept driving. Yeah.
I don't think... Do you think he saw what happened?
Yeah. Good? Did you break it? We'll find out. Take your shoe off. Is your bike alright?
Yeah, your bike's fine.
Front end's a little twisted. I just did those.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. It just like, I was just like, I was almost stopped. I was just fixing to start going again, and he hit me. And it just like took the bike out away. I just like stood there and like took the bike away from me. I was like, holy shit.
I tried so hard to miss you, but I was more trying to miss the truck.
Yeah, cause like he stopped.
He pulled
I kept expecting he would get out of the way.
No, you just got a little bit of rash. It's not bad. I don't even remember what it looked like.
I think it was a white Chevy. I thought it was a Chevy.
If he saw that, he's gone. He's not gonna hang around for that. Oh no, he's gone, man. No way he stuck around.
How
many people is it? Lights mean get out of the way. Yeah, you want to buy me a Gatorade? You can't walk over there? No, don't worry about it.
Look where, hey, fuck you! Look where you're going, you cocksucker! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Use your mirror, you fat fuck! Pull over. You wanna pull over? Pull fucking over, bitch. Yeah? Pull fucking over. Pull over. Fucking A. You gonna do something, motherfucker? You gonna do something?
I ain't do nothing to you. Dog.
No.
You're in the rain for me.
What do you mean?
You fucking came in my lane like this.
You're supposed to check your fucking mirrors before you change lanes. I was lane splitting, which is legal. You were trying to. You came. I got it on camera. I got it on camera. You want to get on YouTube today and see you came over in my fucking lane? Yeah. So don't talk shit if you ain't gonna do nothing. Fuck. What? Get your ass whooped. Talk all that shit, don't want to do nothing. Fucking pussy.
Veniamo, va, se no qua. Scusi.
Ma scusa, un bazzacazzo, porco Dio, già paura i cavalli, Dio cane. Ma su con la motocross, no, Dio cane.
Vado via, scusi.
E 8 anni che stai qui sempre a correre.
No, oggi io sono venuto oggi.
Oggi? Anche l'altra settimana gli stai qui.
Vado via, scusi.
Guarda che c'ha cavalli. Porco Dio che c'ha paura.
Vado via, scusi, guardi.
Scusa un bazzacazzo, porco Dio.
Sì. Calmi.
Porco Dio, guarda lì, da solo, un altro fornato.
Vado via, guardi. No, non ci sono problemi, vado via.
C'ha cavalli. Ma pure c'ha cavalli che c'ha paura.
Vado via, guardi, no. Oggi?
La settimana passata.
No, non ero, io sono venuto oggi, guardi. No, io sono non so di qua. Vado via. Guardi, vado via, non vengo più, non le do più fastidio.
A few moments later.
That's why whenever I see a junction, I never go for it. I always go a bit slow.
That was dope, dude. Alright, can I get on? Yeah. I guess recording.
Definitely gonna.
Yes, sir. We apologize. Hello? All right. Thank you. Moto madness.
is that? Fucker.
Yes? What? It's fucking filtering, mate. It's fucking filtering. I'm filtering.
You say your back is narrow. Okay.
Yeah, I can fit. I'm filtering past.
Problem here.
Huh?
Where you go?
Because I'm filtering. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine, mate. We gotta go that way. Oh shit! It is a bike. Can we go around? Fuck! It is a bike. Fuck. Naughty, naughty. You fucking nerd.
We're on a racetrack. You and your colleagues are going up and down here.
Oh, we got one down. Fucking.
Back brakes going right.
You've both gone. That's slightly bent. That's nothing to worry. Seems alright. Seems like it hit most of the mud.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, oh, it's a deer! Went off into the side, it was like poof, straight over. Deer!